My video guide is about removing malicious pop-ups related to the site Cooldatingplace.top. Cooldatingplace.top is a malicious site. It may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Basically, this website is malicious because it tries to mislead you and to make you click on a special allow button supposedly to help you prove your age. Or to prove that you are not a robot. But if people mistakenly agree with that proposal and click on allow, their browser gets hijacked and infected with many advertisements. And these ads are not really decent. Very often they are really filthy. So to deactivate them, you should access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to all these websites allowed to send notifications and remove these malicious sites. To be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, we recommend that you investigate your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.